During the time between your last salary check and your first full pension check, you're likely to receive multiple interim checks. In this video, we're going to discuss what you should expect regarding your interim pay after you retire from federal service. That's coming up, so stay tuned. I'm Jerrell Harvey with Fedway Financial, and this is the Money Briefing. On this channel, we cover topics related to personal finance, federal benefits, and retirement planning. So if you find this video helpful, please consider sharing and subscribing. Retiring from the federal government is an exciting period in your life, but sometimes that excitement can start to diminish as you wait for your first regular retirement check. The length of time that it takes for OPM to process your regular pay can vary based on several factors, such as the complexity of your case, the completeness of your application, and the workload on OPM staff. But one of the things that can help bridge the income gap between your retirement start date and the beginning of your full retirement pay is interim payments. These are partial payments, but they can play a big part in helping you meet your income needs. So let's first talk a little bit about the timeline. Before your interim payments start, you'll get your final paycheck from your agency, and you'll likely receive a lump sum payment for any unused annual leave hours. Your agency's HR and payroll provider will then work together to forward your application to OPM. Once your retirement package is received by OPM, they will send you a welcome letter that will also include a retirement claim number, which is referred to as your CSA number. This number essentially allows you to gain access to information about your retirement claim. If you're eligible, OPM will then place you into interim payment status. The important thing to keep in mind is that there's no exact timeline and no exact formula to determine when and how much you will receive for your interim pay. But there are some typical ranges to help guide your retirement planning. Generally, you'll receive your first interim check about 6 to 10 weeks after you retire. Once you get your first payment, you will continue to receive direct deposits into your bank account around the first of each month until your full pension is finalized. Your interim payments are an estimate of your net pension pay after deductions, so the payments are usually about 60% to 80% of your expected pension amount. Interim payments do not include anything from the first special retirement supplement. However, if you're eligible for the supplement, you'll receive back pay for all the interim months. Also, if you have a court order that awards a portion of your benefits to a former spouse, your interim payments may be lower than the typical 60% to 80% value. Additionally, the only deduction that is withheld from interim pay is federal income tax. Many times, the income taxes withheld from your first interim check will be higher than the taxes withheld from your later payments. This frequently happens because withholding adjustments are often made while your retirement application is being processed. Even though health and life insurance premiums are not deducted from your interim check, you'll continue to receive coverage for both types of insurance. Once your retirement application completely finalizes or processes, OPM will withhold health benefits and life insurance premiums retroactively from your pension. I also want to point out that state income taxes, dental and vision coverage, and long-term care premiums must all be paid out of pocket during the interim period. So you'll want to make provisions to cover those items. Once your retirement application is finalized, you'll be able to have those costs deducted from your pension payment each month. If you don't receive any communication from OPM after 6 weeks into retirement, it's recommended that you contact OPM to inquire about the status of your application and any issues that may be causing a delay. It's better to be proactive than reactive. While some federal retirees are fortunate to start receiving their full pension within 3 to 4 months, many will have to wait 6 months, and there's always the horror stories of people having to wait up to 12 months to get their full pension payment finalized. Even if you dot every I and cross every T, there's still no guarantee of how quickly your application will get processed. Therefore, it's good to have a plan in place if your regular retirement pay gets delayed. If you received any value from this video, please click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel to get more content like this. Additionally, if you have any questions or comments about personal finance, federal benefits, or retirement planning, you can add them down in the comment section below, or you can contact us by visiting our website at www.fedwayfinancial.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next Money Briefing.